Welcome to Grace Heads, where we bring you the latest updates and in-depth reviews of the most exciting cars in the market. Today, we'll be diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Celerio, exploring its specs, features, and what makes it stand out in its segment. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Celerio continues to hold its ground as one of the most popular compact hatchbacks in India. Maruti Suzuki has always been known for producing reliable, fuel-efficient cars, and the Celerio is no exception. This updated version brings a fresh design, improved features, and more efficient performance, making it an even stronger contender in its category. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Celerio gets a more modern, refined look. The front fascia has been updated with a new grille, sharper headlights, and a more angular bumper design. These changes give the car a youthful and dynamic appearance while maintaining the compact and practical proportions that have made it so popular among city commuters. The sleek profile is complemented by refreshed alloy wheels, further enhancing its visual appeal. Under the hood, the Celerio is powered by Maruti Suzuki's 1.0-liter K10C engine, which is paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or an auto-gear shift (AGS) system. This engine continues to impress with its efficiency and smooth performance. The standout feature of this engine is its fuel efficiency, which is a big selling point for the Celerio. It is expected to deliver an RI-rated mileage of around 26.68 km/L, making it one of the most fuel-efficient cars in its segment. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Celerio comes with a well-designed, modern interior that's both spacious and practical. The dashboard has been updated with a new touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring connectivity on the go. The seats are comfortable, and there's ample space for both front and rear passengers, making it a great choice for small families. The cabin also gets an updated instrument cluster, which is both easy to read and more stylish. In terms of safety, Maruti Suzuki has equipped the 2025 Celerio with several advanced features. The car comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Additionally, it has a strong body structure and improved crash safety, making it a reliable choice for those who prioritize safety on the road. One of the key highlights of the 2025 Celerio is its affordability. Maruti Suzuki has managed to offer a car that combines great features, impressive fuel efficiency, and modern styling at an affordable price point, making it an excellent value proposition for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Celerio continues to be a great option for anyone looking for a compact car that is practical, efficient, and easy to maintain. With its updated features, stylish design, and great fuel economy, it remains one of the best options in its segment. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the latest cars and reviews. Thanks for watching Grace Heads, and stay tuned for more exciting content.